Hi, we are Biocycle Rights, and these are our decisions for the quarter four. In the terms of marketing, we made ads modification on the brand management. The speed bike had an improvement in the ads, so we can make like better profits. And we discontinued the mountain bike because it has like a low reputation. So we want to make a new mountain bike, but in the future, in other quarters. We made investment in research and development, specifically in the carbon fiber material, in tires, and sustainable packaging. Those are like the biggest decisions made on the brand management aspect. And on the pricing and ads, we increased the price of the Peak Pulse and the EcoSen because the Peak Pulse had adjustments in their structure, so it's like a better bike. Also, we modified all the ads for a better performance, as I said before, and we made investment in major media placement. We also made the SEM budget of 400 and invested in social media a total of 11,500, so more people get to know our bikes.
Well, in human resources in the last quarter, our workers were not the happier one because they didn't receive the compensations that they were expected. So that's why in this quarter, in production working compensation, we increased the annual salary and also we increased the weeks of vacation. In the case of a supervisor compensation, we did the same because it has the same results. So now we increase our salary. We also increase, comparing the quarters, we also increase the health benefits package. In this case, we are paying them the full coverage, and also we increase the numbers of weeks. In this quarter is 2 weeks. And for sales force compensation, also we decided to increase just the health benefits package for full coverage. In the case of sales channels, we don't have any stuff on mountain because we decided to close this line for this quarter, and we increased 1 people per open store. So we have 2 people in service, 2 in recreation, 2 in speed, and 2 in non-special line training. Well, and for the projection for next quarter, we want to open another source, depends on the analysis. So we are gonna decide if we are gonna open on Asia or on South America. And number of salespeople, we want to increase 8 people more because we want to open another store. So for this quarter, we will have 23 people, and the demand per person will be the same, 132 bikes, and the total demand increase, of course, it will be 30,036 bikes.
Okay, let me talk about manufacturing. For manufacturing, we decided to buy 2 more 3D printers, and then we decided to expand the operating capacity for 33 units per day. We take this decision based on production simulation, and then we take the total net demand for all brands and then divide on the 65 days. We take the decision to expand the overtime per day for 1 hour to support this demand. Okay, for the system improvement, the team has identified a set of improvement actions as a follow-up to series of reports. So we decide to take these actions as they should improve the production process, reliability, customer satisfaction, and sales. Hopefully, with these sets of strategies, internally as a company, we will able to position ourselves better in the market.
In this quarter, we made a decrease in cost, which had increased exponential in the previous quarter, leading to low profitability. We go into the in order to grow in a responsible scale, taking into account the debt capacity and the deposit is left the same so due to the component is growth.